Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best electric air duster. If you're tired of constantly buying compressed air cans and want a more powerful, eco-friendly way to clean your tech, this is for you. Let's get started. Product features: reusable and eco-friendly. Say goodbye to wasteful compressed air cans. The Jikko's electric air duster is completely rechargeable and reusable. That means no more throwing away cans every month and no more harmful chemicals, just clean air whenever you need it. Powerful cleaning performance. With its high-efficiency motor, this air duster blasts away dust like a pro. Whether it's your laptop, PC, keyboard, camera lens, or any delicate surface, it gets deep into crevices and removes debris effortlessly without damaging your devices. LED light for better visibility. Need to clean behind your desk or inside your PC tower? The built-in LED light helps you see exactly what you're doing, even in dark corners. It's a small feature that makes a big difference when you're working with precision. Long battery life. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this duster delivers extended runtime on a single charge. Clean multiple devices without worrying about it dying midway. Plus, USB-C charging means it's fast and convenient to top up. Comes with multiple nozzles. The Jikko's duster includes various interchangeable nozzles for different tasks. Whether you need pinpoint accuracy or a broader airstream, just switch the nozzle to match your needs. Perfect for home, office, or garage use. Easy maintenance. Cleaning the air duster itself is quick and easy. The filters are washable, and the design ensures dust doesn't clog the system. You'll spend more time cleaning your devices and less time worrying about maintaining the duster. Pros: eco-friendly and reusable, no need for disposable cans. Strong, consistent airflow for deep cleaning. Lightweight and portable design. LED light for dark or tight spaces. Versatile use across electronics and vehicles. Long-lasting rechargeable battery. Easy nozzle swapping for multiple applications. Cons: louder operation than traditional air cans. Needs charging between extended uses. Not suitable for heavy industrial dust jobs. May feel bulky for very small hands. Final thoughts. If you want to ditch wasteful compressed air and step up your cleaning game, the Jikko's electric air duster is a smart, sustainable upgrade. It's versatile, reliable, and delivers strong performance in a compact, user-friendly package. Still using disposable air cans? It's time for an upgrade. Check the price link in the description and get yours today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching.